Hey developer, United Airlines is hiring for the Associate Analyst role and the work location is Gurugram. Talk about the required qualifications. Bachelor degree in Engineering, CS, Data Science or Master degree also preferred, and the 0 to 1 year of experience required in data querying, data manipulation or analytical work. 0 to 1 year of experience means 2025 and 24 batch can apply for this role. And talk about the required skills, required proficiency in Python and SQL for data analysis and problem solving. Hands-on experience work with the Jupyter Notebook or similar Python-based IDE. Experience query manipulation, relational database using tools such as Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle SQL Server, Teradata SQL Assistant or similar. Basic familiarity with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP. Problem solving skills, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, written and verbal communication, fluent in English. So these are the required qualification and skills. Send this video, apply link below in the description and hit the like button, do comment and subscribe Skill Layer for more job updates.